fricka, what the? Hey YouTube, I ran across something here with my toolbox today, and I'm sure there might be others out there that have had this issue. So here's how I went about fixing it. The one side of the drawers are locked. The other side works. The top works. It is unlocked. My key is locked in the drawer. So how are you supposed to unlock it if it's locked and the key's in there? Here's how you go about fixing it. There is a bar that goes on each side of these drawers in the back. And on that bar attaches to this key here. There's a bar that goes straight from the front all the way to the back to the bar that then goes to these. So there's a horizontal bar, two vertical bars. So to go about fixing this, if one side gets stuck and you cannot unlock it, you have to remove one of the drawers that you can unlock, can open. Doesn't matter. Usually a big drawer would be the easiest. And I'll show you here the bar I'm talking about. In the back of it, there's a vertical bar. Push down on that bar. Your drawers are open. I'll do that little bar back there. That's how you get your drawers unstuck. All you have to do now is put the drawers back in. There you have it. Everything's working now. Thanks for watching. Hopefully it helps.